first?
Yes.
Good evening, all of you. Now let's start physics debate. The first question for table number 20 from class 9, chapter motion. Which of the following statements is correct? First is both speed and velocity are same. Second, speed is a scalar and velocity is a vector. Third, speed is a vector and velocity is a scalar. Last, none of the above.
B option is correct.
Very good. Table number 21. What is the slope of velocity time graph when it moves with uniform velocity? What is the slope of velocity versus time graph when the speed of object is uniform? Yes? What?
पर लवली बोलो
Parallel and observe.
Parallel to the
Observe.
which axis?
X. Parallel to the X.
माइक चेक करो अपना आवाज आ रहा है
Parallel to the X axis.
Yes, okay, correct. Table number 22. What does area means in velocity versus time graph? Table number 22. What does mean of area in velocity versus time graph? अगर बेटा आपको आंसर नहीं पता है तो आप पास बोलेंगे, ठीक है?
हाँ उसको बोलना है जिसको आ जाए वो बता
Okay. Anybody know? Table number 25.
Distance.
Distance. And any other know? Any other? Yes. 24.
Displacement.
Displacement. Very good. Table number 23. If a body starts from rest, what can be said about acceleration of a body?
If a body starts from rest, then its velocity, initial velocity is 0, and its acceleration is increasing acceleration.
Okay. Nice answer. Table number 24. What does slope of positive time graph give?
The slope of positive time graph. Sir, in which means velocity time graph or distance time graph?
Velocity time graph.
In the velocity time graph, the positive slope of the x-axis gives the or time axis gives the positive velocity, positive displacement.
Anybody know about the correct answer? 25.
Acceleration, positive acceleration.
23.
The slope of velocity time graph gives acceleration.
Okay. I give you 4 options, okay? Listen carefully. First option is speed, second acceleration, third uniform speed, and last both speed and uniform speed. In PT graph, if velocity graph is positive, then it means that the velocity may be say as speed, because speed never be negative. You know,
Yes.
speed is a scalar quantity. Okay. Table number 25. When a body moves uniformly along the circle, there.
Repeat question.
When a body moves uniformly along the circle, then
its speed, its direction, velocity direction of velocity changes, and the magnitude remains same.
very good, nice answer. Table number 20. Which of the following statement is correct? First statement: speed, distance are scalar, velocity and displacement are vector. Second, speed, distance are vector, velocity and displacement are vector. Third, speed and velocity are scalar, distance and velocity are vector. Last, speed and velocity are vector, distance and displacement are scalar.
इनकरेक्ट बताना है.
There are four quantities: distance, speed, velocity, displacement.
इनकरेक्ट बताना है.
Correct.
करेक्ट. Speed and distance is scalar quantity. Vector or displacement is vector quantity.
Okay, nice. Table number 21. What does the slope of velocity time graph give? Again, yes?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. Okay, very good. Table number 22. The displacement of body can be option. Listen carefully. Positive, negative, zero, or all of the above. Very good. Table number 23. Which of the following gives both direction and magnitude? Scalar, vector, both, none.
Vector.
Vector. Very good. Table number 24. If a moving body comes to rest, then its acceleration will be.
When the body is coming in the rest, then its acceleration will be negative, and finally when the body will come in rest, then its acceleration will be zero.
What?
When the body has stopped, then its acceleration will be zero.
Acceleration will be zero.
Yes, sir, acceleration will be zero.
Anybody know about the answer? Yes.
When body come to rest, then its acceleration will be negative.
Yes. Means final velocity minimum and initial velocity maximum. That's why v minus u will be negative. Okay. Table number 24. Distinguish between speed and velocity.
The main differences between speed and velocity are that speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity gives both magnitude and direction, whereas speed only gives the magnitude. Speed cannot be negative, whereas velocity can be negative and as well as zero. The formula of speed is the distance upon time, whereas the formula of the velocity is the displacement upon time.
Very good. Nice. Table number 25. Under what conditions is the magnitude of average velocity of an object equal to its average speed?
So repeat.
Under what conditions average velocity equal to average speed?
When the motion is linear.
Anybody know about the correct explanation? Yes, 24.
Then the condition will be that the body moves in a straight line.
Yes, 23.
Then a straight path.
Wrong audience. Anybody know? Yes, Bhaiva. Sorry, Abhinav. Motion should be uniform. Yes. But the correct explanation is that when the magnitude of displacement is equal to distance. You know? Table number 25 you have to say before 1 minute. Speed, the formula of speed, distance upon time, and the formula of average speed, total distance upon total time. And the formula of velocity, total displacement upon total time. When displacement and distance both are equal, that means average speed will equal to average velocity. Okay. Table number 25. What does the odometer of an automobile measure? Repeat. What does the odometer of an automobile measure?
Speed.
Anybody know?
Instantaneous speed.
Yes, 23.
Odometer of a vehicle measure the speed.
Yes, 23.
Mass of the
22.
mass of the body.
Mass of the body. Yes, 24.
The odometer represents the total displacement covered by the body.
Yes. Odometer is a device which measures the distance traveled by body. क्या हमारी बाइक्स में कार में होता है ना लगा हुआ ओडोमीटर?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बहुत गलत बात है. Next, table number 20. What does the path of an object look like when it is in uniform motion? Listen again. What does the path of an object look like when it is in uniform motion?
Path is a straight path, and there will no any patches.
Your answer is straight path only. Okay? Okay. Table number 21. During an experiment, you have to listen carefully. Okay? During an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reached the ground station in 5 minutes. What was the distance of spaceship from the ground station? The signal travels at the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second.
So repeat the
Sir, what is the duration of time? What is the duration of time?
There is duration of time 5 minutes.
distance. Question is
You have to find the distance. You have to write on a copy. I have to say about given data. The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay? And the given time is 5 minutes. Then you have to find the distance.
Into 10 to the power 8 meter.
Yes?
9.2 into 10 to the power 8.
Wrong. Yes? 25.
9 into 10 to the power 10 meter.
9 into 10 to the power
10 meter.
23. 23. Yes.
9 into 10 to 10 meter.
Yes, of course. Correct. Okay. Table number 22. Which of the following is true for displacement? First, it cannot be zero.
Displacement is 0, maybe negative and positive.
Okay.
Hello.
You have to listen question and write given data. Okay? A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find acceleration of the bus. If you find correct answer, then you raise your hand, okay?
Sir, what is the final velocity? Means from
I don't know.
80 to
Question is, a bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find acceleration of the bus. Raise your hand. Yes. 24.
Sir, the acceleration of the bus is -4 km per hour.
Per hour? Wrong, absolutely wrong.
-4.
Yes, 22.
Minus 1.1 meter per second.
Yes. Correct. Very good.
Sir, he just converted my answer in meter per second. So why my answer is wrong?
Because you have to say kilometer per hour.
I told you.
You have to say kilometer per hour.
Yes,
But the unit is kilometer per hour square.
Oh,
Okay?
yes, sir.
Next question from table number 21. What is the nature of distance time graph for uniform and non-uniform motion of an object?
Repeat question.
What is the nature of the distance time graph for uniform and non-uniform motion of an object?
Test.
Yes. 22.
When an object is uniform, their graph is straight, and when an object is non-uniform, your graph is curved linear.
Yes. Very good. Table number 22. A bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration. You have to write given data. A bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. Find speed. Yeah.
5 km per hour.
No. Yes.
12 meter per second.
12 meter
Per second.
per. You have to write acceleration 2 meter per second square.
0.1 meter per second square.
Oh. Yes. What answer?
12 meter per second.
Yes. Correct. Very good. Table number 23. Differentiate between distance and displacement.
Displacement and distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. Displacement may be equal to displacement.
What?
Displacement may be equal to distance but not greater than the distance. And the ratio of displacement, the ratio of distance and displacement is greater than 1 or equal to 1.
Yes. Okay.
Distance is any path of the motion, but displacement is only shortest path between the initial position and final position.
Okay. Table number 24. How many paths possible for traveling distance? How many paths possible for traveling distance? Table number 24.
The paths which are possible for traveling a distance are mainly two, like displacement and distance.
Wrong. Yes, 20.
Only one.
23.
There is infinitely many paths to cover the distance.
Yes, it's correct. To travel distance, there are infinite number of paths. Okay? Table number 25. How many paths possible to travel displacement?
Less than distance.
Anybody know? 21.
One.
1. Very good. To travel displacement, there is only one path possible. You know, like Prasan and me, we are in front of each other, and there is only one way. There is only one path to cover shorter distance. Otherwise, the distance greater than this path. Okay? Table number 25. What does mean by the slope in velocity time graph?
Acceleration.
Yes, of course. Table number 20. If the slope is maximum in velocity versus time graph, then it means that if slope is maximum in velocity versus time graph, then it means that
The acceleration is also maximum.
yes, acceleration is also maximum. Okay. Table number 21. Differentiate between scalar quantity and vector quantity.
Scalar quantity is a scalar quantity is small quantity and vector quantity.
बेटा माइक को पास में कीजिए
बोलो
सर.
बोलो
Scalar quantity is a small quantity and vector quantity is a big quantity. Scalar quantity is positive and vector
बेटा I am not able to hear you. I have to say you have to put your mouth near about your mouth.
बोलो थोड़ा ध्यान लगा के बोलो.
Scalar quantity is like a displacement and
Okay. Over. 22.
In a scalar quantity, one the magnitude. In a vector quantity, magnitude and direction. In a scalar quantity, follow the
No,
sequence.
it's not a correct explanation. Yes, 25.
Scalar. In scalar there is only magnitude, but in vector there are both direction and magnitude too. Scalar quantity cannot be negative, but vector quantity can be negative and may be positive. There are many examples of scalar quantity like distance, speed, time, and vector quantity, acceleration, work, force,
Work.
work.
Yes. 23.
A scalar quantity follow simple algebra, but vector quantity follow vector algebra.
Yes. Okay. He said the example of vector quantity as work. He is right.
No.
Table number 23. My next question is that an object is at rest initially. Then the displacement and distance both may 0 or not.
How we can say without knowing final position?
My question is that initially an object is at rest. Then say about the displacement and distance.
If the initially the object is in rest, then its displacement and distance both is 0.
24.
When the object is at rest, we can say that it is final position. Then the displacement and the distance both are 0.
Anybody know about the correct answer? From audience? Yes, standard. There will be is displacement 0, distance 0. Why? Because there is no distance and displacement like physical quantities. Sit down. Because the object is at rest, and whenever an object is at rest, then we can say that there is no physical quantity like distance and displacement. You have to say, Prasan, you are at rest, then there is no distance and no displacement. Then how can we say that distance and displacement 0? Because distance and displacement both are depends on change in position. Displacement depends on change in position vector and distance depends on change in position. Okay? Okay. Table number 24. An object has moved through a distance. Can it have 0 displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example.
Yes, the displacement can be 0. We can prove it by an example. Suppose a bike rider is moving on a straight path, and if he goes up at a distance for a distance of 10 meter, and eventually he comes at his initial position, then the displacement covered by the bike rider is 0.
Very good. Table number 25. What can you say about the motion of an object whose distance time graph is a straight line parallel to the time axis?
Sir, repeat.
Okay. What can you say about the motion of an object whose distance time graph is a straight line which is parallel to the time axis?
It is in rest.
Okay. Table number 20. What can we say about the motion of an object if its speed time graph is a straight line parallel to the time axis?
Speed is 0.
What?
Speed is 0 and the object is on the rest.
Really? Anybody have answer? Yes.
When the graph is parallel to the time axis, then the speed is 0, but its speed can be uniform, like the distance in the whole distance the speed is same.
You have to say speed 0. Then in whole path it's same also. How is possible?
So there are two cases, different cases.
No, there is only one case where speed is constant, not
Yes.
0. Okay? Next question. For table number 21. What is the unit of acceleration?
Meter per second.
Wrong. Yes, 25.
Meter per second square.
Yes, correct answer. Next question. From chapter light. Table number 22. What is plane mirror? What is plane mirror?
Plane mirror is the type of the mirror where many objects can be in a plane mirror. The image of the object and size of the object is always equal to the size of object, and height of the object is always equal to the
Here
image.
I have to say what is plane mirror, not the property, not characteristic of image formation.
A plane mirror is the type of the mirror where focal length is in plane.
Focal length is? Yes, that's the answer. Table number 23. What is concave mirror?
Concave mirror is a part of circle where bent out. Concave mirror is a part of circle where
No. What a part of circle?
concave mirror is a part of circle whose bent out part is polished and bent in part is reflecting surface.
What?
Bent out surface is polished and bent in surface.
We have to define the term. What is concave mirror? Okay. Next.
A concave mirror is a part of spherical mirror whose outer surface is polished and inner surface is the reflecting surface.
Okay. Table number 24. What is light?
Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the colorful world.
Yes. Table number 25. Define the term optics.
It is the study of light in which we study about light.
Okay. Table number 20. What is quantum optics?
Quantum optics is that study of light where we study about the atoms. Photons. Where we study about photons.
Okay. Anybody know? Yes. Table number 21.
Quantum light of is given by Max Planck in 1900, and according to this theory,
Okay. Table number 22.
Quantum optics is the branch of the science which is the degrees of atomic excitation and photon frequency.
Yes. Table number 22. What do you mean by wave nature of light?
The light is the wave nature. The light is the wave nature. It is given by the Newton. It is also known as Newton's classical theory in 1704.
No. Anybody know? Yes. Table number 20.
Light is a dual nature. Light has dual nature. First is a wave and particles. Particle nature. Wave nature. In wave nature, it is we discuss about the interference.
ये आगे बात नहीं करेंगे, ये जो बैठे हुए हैं उनका आंसर यहाँ तक नहीं आ रहा, आप लोग बात कर रहे हो, खड़ा करने के पीछे कोई बात खड़े रहोगे।
Where we study about interference of light, diffraction.
Okay.
It is given by Maxwell and proved by Heising.
Yes. Table number 22. 23. Sorry. Explain quantum theory of light.
At first, quantum theory is given by Max Planck in 1900. According to him, light is made of very tiny particles. And after that, in 1904, lovely scientists in Einstein explained it very well. And after that, the de Broglie hypothesis is said that it has both wave nature and particle nature.
Not correct. Anybody know about the correct expression? Table number 24.
In the quantum theory of light, we are told that light is a form of energy and it is made of packets which are quanta or photons, and its formula is E equal to h nu, where E is the energy, h is the Planck's constant, and nu is the frequency of the light.
Okay, very good. Who proved nature of light? Table number 25.
Nature of light proved by de Broglie. He proved that light is dual nature. De Broglie.
De Broglie. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Table number 20. Explain source of light. Source of light.
There is two sources of light, luminous and non-luminous. Luminous is which that emits light, and non-luminous that doesn't emit the light from its own.
Anybody know about the correct explanation? Yes, 21.
There are two types of source of light: luminous source and non-luminous source. Non-luminous source, which on light emit which on light is called a luminous source. Example: moon. Examples: sun and stars, natural and artificial candle and lamp. And non-luminous source which on not emit their light, and example: moon and planet and artificial table chair, etc.
Okay. Table number 21. What is medium of light?
The medium of light, in which light through medium has three types: and transparent medium.
Anybody know? Yes, 25.
The medium of light is defined as in which the light travels. There are three types of medium: translucent, transparent, and opaque.
Explain each number one.
Transparent. It is a medium in which the whole light get passed, and the translucent object in which the partial light get passed, and in opaque the light get reflects and no light passes.
Table number 23. What happens when light incident on the interface of two media?
When the light strikes on the interface of two medium, then there is a reflection and absorption of light, due to which a metal, means any object, become heat.
Yes. Okay. Table number 24. Give characteristics of light.
The characteristics of light are: first, light is a form of energy. It has both particle nature and wave nature. Light is a form of electromagnetic wave. Means there is propagation of energy without the propagation of mass. And another point in the explanation of light is that light always follow the rectilinear propagation of light. Means light always travel in straight path.
Table number 25. Define the term beam of light. Define the term beam of light.
Beam of light is defined as the group of light which have same direction. It's called beam of light.
Okay. Then define parallel beam of light.
When the beam of light are parallel, then it is called parallel beam of light.
You have to say, when I talk about beam of light, then you say when a group of ray in which each ray having same direction.
Same direction.
Then you have to define parallel beam of light.
Parallel beam of light defined as which are parallel to each other.
How many types of beam of light possible? How many types? Anybody know about the correct explanation of beam of light? Yes, table number 24.
A beam of light can be defined as the group of light rays facing toward the same direction. And a parallel beam of light, parallel beam is that type of beam of light in which all the rays are parallel to each other. And the light rays which are thin and are in group, they are also known as pencil.
Okay. Listen carefully. Beam of light means a group of light rays only. Okay? Not about the direction. When we say about parallel beam, then it means that the all ray of lights should go in same direction. Okay? And there are other two types of beam possible. Yes.
Other two types of beam is converging beam of light and diverging beam of light.
Yes.
In converging beam of light, all the ray of light seems to be go in a single point and divert after that. And that in diverging beam of light, a group of light comes from a single point and go diverge in different direction.
Table number 20.
Sir, I want to listen to the explanation again.
Beam of light.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Beam of light means only that group of light rays, not a one particular direction, because beam of light may be anti-parallel, parallel, diverging or converging. Okay?
Yes, sir.
On the basis of direction, we have to define other three types: converging, diverging and parallel beam. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Table number 20. What is reflection of light?
Reflection of light, when the incident ray of the light get reflect from a reflecting phase of plane mirror.
Keep silence. What happened? Yes.
Reflection of light, when the incident ray get reflect from a reflecting phase.
Pass. 21.
Reflection of light.
What do you mean by reflection of light?
Reflection is the light of the back of light for the plane mirror, and reflection of light is the back of light, and the bouncing back of the light is the reflection of light.
Say again, beta. Loudly.
Reflection of light is the bouncing back of light in the plane mirror. And
In the same medium.
in the same medium.
Anybody know? Yes, 23.
Reflection is the phenomena of light on which light ray come from a medium and strike on the interface of two medium and get bounced back in the same medium. It's called reflection of light.
Okay. Table number 22. What do you mean by angle of reflection?
The angle between the normal and reflected ray is called the angle of reflection.
Okay. Table number 24. Give two laws of reflection. Give two laws of reflection.
Angle.
24.
The two laws of reflection are that the angle of incidence, when the light strikes on medium, then the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. And second law is that the incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie on the same plane.
Lie
In the same plane. In
Yes,
the same.
yes, in the same
In
plane.
the same plane. Yes. Sir.
Okay. Table number 25. What happens when a ray strikes normally on a surface, on a opaque surface?
It get reflect and its reflection, its angle of reflection and angle of incidence is 0.
Both are 0. Okay. Table number 20. What do you mean by regular reflection?
Reflection formed on regular reflection.
Yes.
The reflection formed on a smooth surface.
Table number 21. What do you mean by irregular reflection?
Irregular reflection is the found on a rough surface and in different directions.
Table number 22. What is the second name of irregular reflection?
Rough surface reflection.
Yes, 25.
Diffuse reflection.
Diffuse reflection. Okay, very good. Okay, table number 23. What do you mean by real image?
A real image is made from a real reflected ray. It is formed basically in the concave mirror, and it is always inverted.
Real image.
Real image is the image which is formed by the real reflected ray. Intersection of real reflected ray. And it,
Yes. Table number 24. Distinguish between real and virtual image.
The main differences between the real and virtual images are first in the real image the real reflected ray intersect at a point and form the real image, whereas in the virtual image the virtual reflected ray intersect at a point and form virtual image. In the real image can be obtained on screen, whereas the virtual image cannot be obtained on screen. A real image is always formed inverted, and a virtual image is always formed erect and maybe of same size or not.
What do you mean by real object or virtual object? Table number 25.
When two real incident ray get intersect at a point, then here and there is formation of real object, and when the two virtual incident ray intersect at a point, then it will call, and then the virtual object form.
Yes. Table number 20. Virtual object is possible.
Yes,
How?
in plane mirror.
In plane mirror. Okay. Give any 4 characteristics of image formation through a plane mirror.
The characteristics form in a plane mirror. First is a lateral inversion, and second is the distance of an object from the plane mirror is equal to the distance of image from the plane mirror, and the height of an object in a real world is the same as the height of an image in plane mirror, and also in plane mirror the right side showed in plane mirror as a
You have to say about it lateral inversion. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, last one.
The speed of light of object is equal to the speed of a light in plane mirror.
Table number 23. Is C is correct?
Yes, sir.
Speed of object in front of plane mirror is always same speed of image inside the mirror.
Yes.
Is it true? Table number 24.
Yes, sir.
From audience? Yes.
With respect to the mirror,
Is it?
C is right. But with respect to the object, C is wrong.
When the mirror is at rest, okay? When we move mirror toward the object and object moves toward the mirror, then the speed of image and object changes. You know? You know or not? Okay. Table number 21. We have two inclined plane mirror at an angle of 60 degree. Then tell me about the number of images formed through these two inclined mirrors. Yes, angle is 60 degree. Yes, 60, 60.
5.
Table number 22.
When the object is angle bisected, then the number of images is 6, and the object is not an angle bisected, number of images is 6.
Okay. So, table number 23. C is correct?
No, sir.
Okay, tell.
When the mirror is placed at a 60 degree, then there is a number is 5. If
Yes.
you put anywhere in the 60 degree, then the number of images is only 5.
Because if we have to divide 360 by theta, theta is here 60, then the number we got even. And when the number is even, then we have to change many positions of object. The number of images will be 5. Okay? Table number 21, you are right. Table number 22. If the angle between two plane mirror is 0 or 180, if the angle between two plane mirror is 0 or 180, then how many number of images will form?
Infinity.
Infinity. Very good. Table number 23. If the angle between two inclined mirror is 90,
Then the number of images will be 3. Because when we divide 360 with 90, it gives an even number, that is 4, and we multiply and we subtract n minus 1, then it comes to be 3.
okay. Table number 24. Define the term spherical mirror.
A spherical mirror can be defined as that type of mirror in which the reflecting surface or the intersecting polished surface is curved, and it is somehow called as the circular mirror.
Circular mirror?
Yes.
Circular mirror कहाँ होता है? Table number 25.
Spherical mirror.
Yes, not circle. Okay, madam?
Yes, sir.
Because it is a part of spherical glass.
Yes, sir.
That's why we have to call it
Spherical.
spherical mirror. Okay, table number 25. How many kinds of spherical mirrors are present?
There are two types of spherical, concave mirror and convex mirror.
Table number 20. Define the nature of focal length of concave mirror.
The focal length is negative.
Focal length is
Negative.
negative. For
concave mirror.
Concave mirror. Okay. Okay. Table number 21. If height of object is positive and height of image also positive, then what is the magnification? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay. Table number 22. Object distance is always negative or positive when we put object in front of convex mirror. Convex mirror. What is the nature of object distance when we put object in front of convex mirror?
Negative.
Always? Okay. Table number 23. What do you mean by radius of curvature and its polarity?
Radius of curvature is the distance between the pole and radius of a spherical mirror. It is a radius of curvature is a point between the it is a distance of the distance between the spherical pole.
Anybody? Okay. Table number 21.
Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is imaginary sphere of between the pole and center of curvature. It's called
No.
radius of curvature.
20.
Radius of curvature is a distance between pole and the center of curvature.
Yes. Radius of curvature is the distance. It is very simple. And tell me, Peter, what is the polarity of radius of curvature for concave mirror and as well as for convex mirror?
For concave mirror it is negative and convex mirror it is positive.
Very good. Table number 25. 24. Table number 24. What is the relation between focal length and radius of curvature?
The main relation between the focus and the radius of curvature is that the radius of curvature is always equal to the 2 times of the focus, and it is represented as r is equal to f by 2. F is equal to r by 2.
F is equal to R by 2. Very good. Table number 25. What is the unit of focal length?
Meter.
Meter. Very good. Table number 20. In case of concave mirror, okay? We have to put object at infinity. Then tell me about the nature, position and size of the image formed by a concave mirror.
When the object is at the infinity, then image formed at the nature of the image is very small, and between
Anybody know?
on the focus.
Yes. My question is that, Peter, when we put an object at infinity in front of concave mirror, then tell me about position, nature and size of the image.
The nature of image, the position is between the center and focus, and nature.
22.
The image format in the focus, and the nature of the object is real and inverted, and position of the and size of the object is larger than object. The size is smaller than object.
Wrong. Absolutely wrong. 21.
At focus of object and the image is formed at infinity and real and inverted and diminished.
Absolutely wrong. Yes, 24.
Size of object is highly diminished, and the the nature of image is real and inverted, and it lies on the focus.
Yes, absolutely correct. Table number 21. This case also same. Okay, for concave mirror, we have to put our object at focus of concave mirror. Then tell me about the size, nature, and position of image formed by through concave mirror.
At focus and object, at infinity an image and real and inverted and diminished.
And
Diminished.
yes, Prasant.
If we put the object at a focus, then the image will be formed at infinity, and the nature is real and inverted, and the size of image will be highly magnified.
Highly magnified. This is correct. Table number 22, beta. What happened when we put an object between focus and center of curvature in front of a concave mirror? Then tell me about the nature, size, and position.
When an object is placed in the focus and pole,
Focus and center of curvature.
the image is formed behind the sea, and nature of the image is real and inverted, and size of the object is larger than object. Size of
Okay. Prasad, what happened when we put object between pole and focus?
When we put object between pole and focus, then the image will be formed outside the mirror, means in front of front of a concave mirror, in positive direction.
Opposite direction.
Opposite direction. Between pole and
Which direction? East, west, north, south.
west direction. You can say. If we take object in east direction, then the image will form in west direction.
We have to put object in your left hand side, okay? Then image will form.
Right hand side.
Okay, that's the direction. You have to say here in opposite to the object, okay? Or back side of the mirror. Okay, tell me.
If we put the object between focus and pole, then the image will be formed opposite to the object, and
The image will form beyond the mirror. It is virtual and erect and magnified.
Yes. Very good. Table number 24. What happened? We will put our object at infinity in front of convex mirror.
In front of a convex mirror,
Yeah.
when we put the object at infinite distance from the mirror, then the nature of the image will be virtual and erect. It will be highly diminished, it will be highly diminished, and the position of the image will be at focus and between focus and pole.
Yes. Okay, table number 25. What happened when we put our object near convex mirror?
It will at focus and its size will be smaller than object, virtual, erect.
Prasad, he's right.
yes, sir.
Image formed at focus in case of convex mirror.
No, sir. No.
But he said, and you also say he is right. So listen carefully, okay? Me and your जो भी आपके साथी हैं उनको, ठीक है? सबको ध्यान सुनिए कौन क्या कह रहा है. Okay, table number 20. What happened if we put a needle in front of concave mirror at the center of curvature? When we put a needle in front of a concave mirror at center of curvature?
In the concave mirror,
Yeah.
the position of an image is at the center and real and inverted and same as the object, same size as.
Okay. Table number 21. Give any two uses of concave mirror.
Concave mirror uses saving mirror and also torch bicycles from the backside of traffic and use
I have to say only for two, okay? Table number 22. What is the mirror formula?
What is the
Mirror formula.
mirror for 1 by f is equal to 1 by p plus 1 by u.
Yes?
1 by f is equal to 1 by p plus 1 by u.
Okay, very good. Prasad, what is the magnification?
Height of object, it is ratio of height of object and h of height of object is
Wrong.
ho upon hi is equal to minus b upon u.
Okay, table number 24.
The magnification can be defined as the ratio of the height of image with respect to the height of the object, and it is also denoted as minus v upon u,
Yes.
where v is the distance of the where v is the image and u is the object.
Okay. Table number 24. This is question for you. If the image is real and inverted, then magnification will be.
Image is real and inverted. Sir, in which mirror?
What? When the image formed by a mirror is real and inverted, then the magnification will be.
Minus 1.
Means positive or negative. There is no data. Then you have to say about polarity.
Yes, sir. The magnification will be negative.
Okay. Because we have formula
What?
height of image over height of object. And in case of real image, the height of image will be negative. That's why magnification always negative. Okay. You have to write data. A 1.2 centimeter long pin means this is height of object. 1.2 centimeter.
The height of object.
1.2 centimeter. 1.2 centimeter long pin is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex mirror. Of a convex mirror of focal length 12 centimeter. At a distance of 8 centimeter.
8 centimeter.
At a distance of 8 centimeter.
Sir.
Then find position, size and nature of image.
क्या कर रहा है?
Yes.
The image formed is at infinity, and the size of the image is
Beta, the object size is 1.2
yes, sir.
centimeter. Object size is 1.2 centimeter and it is placed at 8 centimeter and the focal length is 12 centimeter.
Sir,
Yes.
the image distance is 4.8 centimeter and in the convex natural and erect and between the focus and the center.
Prashant, C is correct.
No sir.
Why?
Because distance of image will be 0.4 centimeter.
C is correct. Yes.
The distance of image is 4.8 centimeter and the image is real inverted.
Image is?
Real and inverted.
How it is possible? How it is possible? There is convex mirror. Okay. Table number 20. You are correct.
बात मत करो.
Table number 20. What do you mean by refraction of light?
When light goes from one medium to another medium and it bends toward normal, and also
बात मत करिए.
and the medium 2 is
Silence. Table number 22.
When the light goes one transparent medium to other transparent medium, then the light are bent, and then actually then the actual bend. This particular bending is called the refraction of light.
Okay. Very good. Table number 21. What is the main cause why this refraction happens? What is the main cause of refraction?
Bending of light.
Table number 25.
The main cause of refraction is change in wavelength of the light.
Yes, Prashant.
The main cause of reflection is optical density and refractive index. Due to which the wavelength and the speed is changed.
Due to which?
The wavelength and the speeds of the light will change.
Yes.
Sir, wavelength
Of course. मैंने कब तक क्या गलत करा? Of course you are right. If light travel from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, then the speed of light or wavelength of light changes. That's the reason. That's why light went from its actual path. It can bend towards normal or it can bend away from normal. There are two cases. Okay? Table number 22. Explain two cases.
When a light goes denser medium to rare medium, then the light are move toward the normal. And when light goes, repeat.
Wrong.
Sir, one more repeat.
Yes.
When a light are goes rare medium to denser medium, then the light are toward the normal. And the light are goes denser medium to rare medium, then the light coming from normal.
Yes. Okay. Table number 23. Tell me what happens when a light ray goes from denser medium to rare medium, then it bends away from normal. Why?
If a light goes from denser medium to rare medium, then it bend toward the normal. Because the
Really?
if a light ray goes from denser medium to rare medium, then it bend away from the normal. Because the optical medium of optical density of refracting index of medium 1 is greater than the medium 2.
And other reason?
The speed of light goes change. Change. It's increasing in the speed of light.
Yes. Increasing. Okay? Because the speed of light increases. Okay. Table number 24. During the reflection, refraction, absorption, the frequency of light change or not?
Sir, it doesn't change.
It does not
Change.
change. Why?
Sir, because there is variation in the speed of light, but the frequency of the light never changes in any medium, whether it is denser or rarer.
Okay. Tell me about two effects of reflection of light. Table number 25.
So repeat.
Tell me about two effects of reflection of light.
The light change its path and the speed of light change.
Effects. Give any two effects of reflection of light. From audience, anyone know? Yes. Okay.
The depth of the image will change, or it will make the depth will become apparent depth, and it will make it magnified or demagnified.
Very good. This is the effect or not?
Sir, so you want to ask that effects in our daily life?
Yes.
Sir, when we fill the bucket with the water, then the bottom of the bucket appears less deep as compared to the original. And when we see the well and there are some fishes.
हेलो वेल वेदर की प्रॉब्लम को देखते हुए डिबेट कंपटीशन को थोड़ा रोकना पड़ेगा. पानी रह जाएगा तो फिर दिक्कत हो जाएगी. ठीक है, एक दो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लेंगे, उसके बाद उसको होल्ड करते हैं. ओके
Sir, when we see the fish in the pond, then the position at the fish where the fish swims is not its original position. It is the apparent depth. Means it appears less deep than the original.
Okay. Table number 25. What do you mean by laws of reflection? Laws of reflection.
There are two laws of reflection. The normal incident ray and reflected ray lie in the same plane. The ratio of sine of incident angle with respect to sine of reflected angle is constant.